Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to find videos for dropshipping. Now, finding videos for dropshipping products can be valuable marketing strategy to showcase your product and attract potential customers. Here are some ways to find videos for your dropshipping products. Now, if you Google it, you'll be able to find multiple results. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up a web browser and I'm going to show you one of the easiest way to find. So on the web address bar, you'll need to type in fiverr.com. Now, Fiverr is one of the websites where you can actually get a lot of information regarding our videos. So here you can go through it all and explore each one of it. You can just go through the comments, you can go through the review and all that, and you'll be able to get a little information about a dropshipping product. Apart from it, what else you can do is you can also contact the product suppliers. So contact your product supplier and check if they have promotional videos for the product you're selling. Many suppliers provide product video that you can use for a marketing products. Apart from Fiverr, what else you can do is you can also go to YouTube. YouTube is a treasure trove of product review and demonstration video. Search for a specific product on YouTube and you might find relevant videos that you can embed on your website or use it in a marketing campaign. And similar to YouTube, there is Vimeo. So what you'll need to do is you need to open up a web browser and then on the search box type in Vimeo. After that, it will direct you to the search result. In here, you need to go ahead and type on vimeo.com. So basically, you have to create an account. First of all, just tap on the button and you can just go ahead and follow on-screen prompt. Now, apart from, you can also use your social media platform like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook for users generate content related to your product. Reach out to a content creator who have posted videos featuring your product and ask for permission to use the content in your marketing. If you can't find any suitable videos, consider creating your own. Hire a videographer or use a video editing tools to make professional product videos that highlight the key feature and benefit of your product. Apart from it, some stock footage website offers product video that you can purchase and use for marketing. Look for stock footage libraries that specifies in your product related videos. You can also visit the product review website, and blogs often include videos, and alongside a written review, reach out to the reviewer and request permission to use the videos for marketing. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.